Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swati Pharmagnan. Today's topic is antibiotics and the plant products which are used in the treatment of various types of the cancer. First we'll see the antibiotics. So antibiotics are one of the class of drugs which will be used in the treatment of cancer. What are antibiotics? So these are the drugs which are derived or which are extracted from the microorganisms, and they will be also used in the killing or inhibiting the growth of other microorganisms. Here we have picked some antibiotics which have ability to show or to which have the ability to stop showing the symptoms of cancer. The first antibiotic we are going to see is dactinomycin. Here the dactinomycin structure we can write like this or like this. So dactinomycin can also be called as actinomycin D or dactinomycin. So here the central basic nucleus structure what we can write is two phenyl rings are fused with the six-membered ring containing one oxygen and one nitrogen. So that is the basic nucleus. Two methyl groups are attached at this position and this position. Here one amino group and one ketone group is present. So here totally 5 amino acids are attached. So this is serine, proline, valine, threonine and mevalonate. All are attached with one oxygen linkage, and all these amino acids are attached to the basic nucleus with one ketone group. So here also similarly 5 amino acids are attached with one ketone linkage with the basic nucleus. That is the structure of dactinomycin. We can write the complete structure of the amino acid, or we can just write the names like proline, valine, mevalonate or serine, threonine, like that. So what are the uses of dactinomycin is it is used to treat adenocarcinoma, to treat rhabdomyosarcoma in children. What is rhabdomyosarcoma? Injury of the muscles or death of muscle fibers in children that will lead to cancer. Next structure under antibiotics is daunorubicin. Daunorubicin contains 4 rings, 4 cyclic rings which are fused together. OCH3 is attached at this position. 2 ketone groups are attached at these 2 positions. 2 hydroxyl groups are present here, and here oxygen linkase is attached, and this oxygen linkase is attached to the 6-membered ring containing one oxygen, and it contains one methyl group, hydroxy group and amino group. And to this 4th ring there is a COCH3 is present. COCH3 is acetyl group. Along with COCH3, OH group is also attached. That is structure of daunorubicin. It is used in combination with other drugs for treating acute lymphocytic leukemia. Usually we will use the antibiotics to get relief from the symptoms of cancer, but it will not completely stop or inhibit the growth of cancer cells. So how this daunorubicin will be used when it is used in the combination therapy with other drugs is it will work by stopping or slowing the growth of cancer cells. Next structure is doxorubicin. Doxorubicin and daunorubicin both are almost same. Here the structure, only the difference here is, here in daunorubicin there is a COCH3 group, that is acetyl group is present. In case of doxorubicin there is CH2COOH, means that is acetic acid is present. Doxorubicin is used to treat bladder cancer, urinary bladder cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, stomach and ovarian cancer. It is also used to treat various types of the blood cancers like leukemia. Next structure is bleomycin. Bleomycin is little complicated structure. So this structure contains some hexose sugars, and also more amino groups are attached. Along with the amino groups some heterocyclic moieties are also attached. Few heterocyclic moieties like imidazole nucleus, and here pyrimidine basic nucleus is present, and here thiazole is present. So this bleomycin is used to treat squamous cell cancer, means skin epithelial tissue cancer, testicular cancer in case of males, and ovarian cancer in case of females. It is used to treat malignant pleural effusion, that is nothing but storage of a fluid in the space between lungs lining and the chest wall. The fluid will be stored, so that will lead to malignant pleural effusion. To treat that, bleomycin will be helpful. What is the mechanism of action of antibiotics? These antibiotic drugs specifically inhibit the DNA dependent RNA polymerase, so that RNA mRNA cannot be produced, so that translation step cannot occur. This enzyme synthesizes RNA from a DNA template and it inhibits transcription. So finally, when this enzyme is inhibited, mRNA will not synthesize and mRNA cannot transfer the codons to the tRNA for the synthesis of the protein, so that the cell death occurs. That is the mechanism of action of antibiotics. Coming to plant products, the first structure under plant products is etoposide. This etoposide is obtained from the podophyllum, which is a plant extract. This is the structure of etoposide. Six-membered ring containing one oxygen with hydroxyl groups are present, and here phenyl ring with 5-membered ring with 2 oxygens is present, and here furan ring with 1 ketone group is attached. This etoposide is used to treat lung cancer, testicular cancer in males, glioblastoma means cancer of brain or spinal cord, leukemia, Kaposi's sarcoma, cancer that causes lesions under the skin lining. Under the skin lining, if any lesions will occur because of the skin cancer, that cancer is called Kaposi's sarcoma and Ewing's sarcoma. Ewing's sarcoma means cancer that grows in bone or tissue around the bone. So for all these various types of the cancer, we can use this etoposide. Next two plant products which are very popular for the treatment of cancer is vinblastine and vincristine. For the vinblastine and vincristine structure, we have to remember the basic nucleus is indole. So indole is the basic nucleus. What is indole? Phenyl ring which is attached with the pyrrole ring is called indole ring. So that indole ring is the basic nucleus in case of vinblastine and also in case of vincristine. This vinblastine is used it is obtained from vinca alkaloids, which is a plant extract and very powerful drug which is used in the treatment of cancer. It is used to treat Hodgkin's neuroblastoma, breast tumor and mycosis fungoides. In the treatment of myeloblastic leukemia in children, vinblastine is helpful. Vincristine is also same drug. The structure is almost similar way. The substituents only will differ. Vincristine is also obtained from the vinca alkaloids. It is also used to treat acute leukemia in children, neuroblastoma, rhabdomyosarcoma, that is cancer occurs in skeletal muscle or bladder or uterus. What is the mechanism of action of plant products? These plant products interfere with the assembly of the microtubules. During the cell division in the metaphase, microtubules will form. In that assembly, it will interfere by effectively combining with the tubulin protein. Thereby, it will arrest the mitosis in the metaphase itself, so that the further phases like anaphase and telophase does not occur and the complete cell division doesn't take place by using plant products. So we can stop the cell growth or growth of the cancer cells in the patient body. The miscellaneous drugs which are used in the treatment of cancer are cisplatin. The platinum is the main element which is present at the center. It contains 2 chlorine atoms and 2 ammonia groups, NH3, NH3, that are attached. These 4 groups are attached to the central platinum, that is cisplatin. To treat testicular cancer in males, to treat ovarian cancer in females, and other solid tumors like lung cancer, esophageal cancer and gastric cancer. Next miscellaneous drug which is used in the treatment of cancer is mitotane. Mitotane contains parachlorophenyl ring and orthochlorophenyl ring. These two are attached to the central ethane ring. This ethane ring also contains two more chloro groups, that is structure of mitoten. It is used to treat cancer of adrenal glands. If adrenal glands which are present just above the kidney like a caps, that will get the cancer, then we can use this mitoten. That cannot be treated by surgery. Only by using this drugs we can treat this cancer of adrenal glands, and it also stops or slows the growth of cancer cell. Thank you all.